Washington, D.C. to advocate for health care with the Children's Hospital Association and with Boston Children's Hospital.
Sounds like a pretty good spokesperson right there.
Wow.
Here is some good news. A 9-year-old Oklahoma boy got an up-close look at our nation's capital while advocating for children's health.
Fox 23 weekend anchor Alexa Mostrom's live in the studio. Alexa, you learned why he is so passionate about this.
Good morning. You really don't expect a 9-year-old boy to talk to you about the need for more research and funding for children's health care, but he told me he's been speaking up about this issue for a couple years now. Don't let the bow tie fool you. Christian Jasperson is only 9 years old, but he's got the life experience of someone much older. This summer, Christian and his mom, Rachel, went to Washington, D.C. to advocate for children's health and medical research.
I talked to senators and had fun. And one thing I want to tell you is Senator Lankford let me have a special tour of the Capitol, and I got to see the speaker's balcony.
Christian told me he was born with a medical condition called gastroschisis, so all of his organs were born on the outside of his body.
So I had to go straight to surgery because my intestines were outside my body, and I needed to get to surgery.
He had surgery and the doctors removed half of his intestines. He was in the hospital for 6 months before he was able to go home. Then Christian and his mom Rachel went to Boston Children's Hospital.
So they're basically teaching his intestines to try to function, what to do, what medication, and he's the most proud that they've helped him be unhooked. And so he has a feeding tube, and he uses that from like 7 at night to 7 in the morning. But he gets to go to school and play with his friends and have a more normal life, and that's made such a difference.
Christian told me at just 7 years old, he wanted to start speaking out about the importance of accessible children's health care and research.
I kind of thought it was normal kind of growing up, and then I realized that it wasn't really normal, and it was complex.
Now he works with the Children's Hospital Association to get his story out there and convince people to pay more attention to children's health.
So I think just his positive attitude about the healthcare experience and about how good things can be and how it can help you live your best life, I think that's why Boston Children's Hospital and the Children's Hospital Association really said, hey, let's take this to Washington, D.C., and let's try to reach as many people as we can.
While he may be a bit different from other kids, Christian is determined not to let it slow him down. He's got big dreams and plans to be a Supreme Court justice one day. Now, Christian and his mom Rachel both say they're continuing to push for children's health care and research grants. They say their mission is just beginning. Now, Christian is okay now. He's able to live a fairly normal life, but he still needs medication and checkups with the Children's Hospital. Live covering News That Matters, I'm Alexa Mostrom, Fox 23 News.
I mean, he is incredible.
Just awesome.
Yeah, we want to hear your good news. Email us at goodnews@fox23.com.